Hi guys, today we are going to study about gears and gear drives. Well, what is a gear? A gear is a toothed member which is used to transmit motion or power from one shaft to another shaft when the center distance between the two shafts is small. These are circular objects which have tooth around their periphery. These come in various shapes and sizes. Now, let us see the classification of the gears. Spur gear. Well, these are the gears whose axis is parallel and also the teeth are parallel to the center line of the gear. These gears are used to connect the shafts which are parallel and coplanar. These are used in watches and gearbox in aeroplanes. Next, the helical gears. Well, these are the gears in which the teeth of the gears are cut in the form of a helix around the gear. These gears are used to connect both parallel and non-parallel and non-intersecting shafts. These are suitable for carrying heavy loads and also for high speeds with a low noise level. Hence, these are widely used in all sorts of automobile applications. Next, bevel gears. These are the gears in which straight teeth are cut on the blanks of the frustum of a cone. That is, the tooth section tapers towards the apex of a cone. Generally, they are used to transmit power between two shafts which form right angles with each other. Hence, these are also known as right-angled bevel gears. The gears which are used to transmit the power in shafts which have angle other than 90 degrees are called as angular bevel gears. These type of gears are used in locomotives, marine engines, automobiles, etc. Next, the worm gear. Well, the worm gear is a combination of a screw with the helical gear. These type of gears are used when the shaft axes are at 90 degrees and are non-coplanar. Here, the screw which has one or more threads is called as the worm and the gear is called as the worm wheel. These type of gears are used to attain high velocity ratios. Hence, they are used in different purposes such as machine tools, lathe machines, milling machines, drilling machines, etc. Next, the rack and pinion. Well, this type consists of two components, that is the rack and the pinion. Well, the rack is a straight bar with teeth cut perpendicularly to its axis. The rack is driven by the rotation of the pinion. The pinion is nothing but a rotating gear. The rotating motion of the pinion is converted into the linear motion of the rack. Hence, these are also used in applications such as the machine tools, lathe machines, drilling machines, locomotives, etc. Next, the velocity ratio. Well, the velocity ratio is defined as the ratio of the speed of the driver gear to that of the speed of the driven gear. Hence, the formula for velocity ratio is given as N1 by N2. This can also be written as D2 by D1, that is the pitch diameter of the driven gear to the pitch diameter of the driver gear. Also, this can be written as Z2 by Z1, where Z2 is the number of teeth on the driven gear and Z1 is the number of teeth on the driver gear.
Also, the train value is defined as the reciprocal of the velocity ratio.
Thank you.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live magazine videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at ClassFly community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.